Hello, Professor and my classmates. I will present my presentation for week 5 assignments. And I'm going to start my presentation. Firstly, I will share my screen and then I'm going to start it. Yes. And for week 5 assignments, and our topic is that the digital revolution in manufacturing, a deep dive into digital and additive manufacturing. Hello, everyone. So I will start with the what is the process of the revelation in manufacturing, like digital revelation? As you see on the picture, the user, the customer, or the any person can use some interface that can be accessed to do some information. And then after getting some information that we can analyze for our target, and then we can getting the result after the analyzing, and then we can use our new information for the our target. That, as you see on that, so the smart industry user interface using by the customers, and then there are some feature which is that the flexibility, automation, and then the other things that we can use also the big data at the same time. What is the digital manufacturing? The digital manufacturing is a revolutionary approach that leverage advanced technologies to streamline and optimize manufacturing process. By integrating digital tools and techniques, manufacturers can achieve greater efficiency, flexibility, and innovation. We are all of us, as also the calling for the additive manufacturing, is that the 3D printing. Of course, we are all of us seeing our on the phone or to some like a social media. This is the really most popular uh, most popular trends on recently for the some new list for the in industry 4.0. The 3D printing is that the layer by layer construction to create object from digital models, and some core principles that's automation, precision, and integration. Of course, there are some technologies that use for the digital manufacturing, that's CAD, CAM, IoT, and some robotics. So let's we focus on the specific topics, which is additive manufacturing, is the 3D printing. The 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, is a process of the creating three-dimensional object by adding layer upon layer of material. Unlike traditional manufacturing methods, which is involve removing material from a solid block, 3D printing builds object up from the digital design. The most common type involves melting and extruding thermoplastic filaments layer by layer. And also it minimizes material usage by printing only the necessary parts. And it's also produce highly customized product tailored to specific needs. As technology continues to advance, 3D printing is poised to revolutionize industries and transform the way which we manufacture products. As overall, the 3D printing is a powerful tool that is reshaping the manufacturing landscape. So, what is the revolutionizing traditional manufacture? As you see on the picture on the right side, the revolution in traditional industry, the manufacturing and supply chain optimization, and some energy and sustainability, some transformation and smart cities, agriculture and precision farming, and then of course the healthcare and the remote patient monitoring. There are some industries that we can use like a digital manufacturing there. And end of this, it's has speed, enhanced efficiency. Automation reduces the production time, and it also can be access to flexibility, adaptability to small production runs, and the custom design. And it's also doing the cost effectiveness. So the minimization of material waste and inventory cost. What is the example? Tesla's Ford use the use of the digital twins for real-time monitoring. And I will give you some real-world examples and the case studies. So there are some examples that we will see that for the real-world examples. GE Aviation's 3D printed fuel nozzles for the airspace. And the automotive, the force use of additive manufacturing for lightweight parts. And healthcare, custom prosthetic and dental implants via 3D printing. It's the most popular in the recent days also. The consumer goods, Nike's rapid prototyping of footwear design. So as a result, the automotive industry has been a significant adopter of the 3D printing technology, leveraging its capabilities to revolutionize various aspects of vehicle design, manufacturing, and customization. So on the right side, as you see that the introduction to a real-world case studies, that the first step is that the real-world case studies, and then as you will see that from 1 to 6, and enhancing critical thinking and analytic skills, and bridging the gap between theory and the practice. And of course, it's learning from diverse perspectives and evaluation multiple options, and then it's the best option for us. And the real world examples for automotive that I can say that the Ford has been actively using 3D printing to reduce development time and the cost. They have 3D printed parts for the concept cars, functional prototype, and even end-use components like engine parts. By embracing 3D printing, the automotive industry is driving innovation, improving efficiency, and delivering more customized and high-performance vehicle to consumer. So the 3D printing can produce unique parts for specific cars. So, and also such as custom interior trim or replacement part for rare models. And what is the example for the medical industry? The medical industry is a vast and complex sector that encompasses a wide range of the healthcare services, products, and some technologies. It plays a crucial role in maintaining public health and improving the quality of the life. That's why it's like a cornerstone for our like a daily life. So the 3D printing allows for the creation of highly customized implants such as hip, knee, and dental implants that perfectly fit the patient's anatomy. As 3D printing technology continues to advance, we can expect that even more innovative applications in the medical field, ultimately leading to improved patient care and healthcare outcomes. And if we look for the revolution manufacturing process, and we will see that there are some kind of features or there are some kind of part for the revolution. The manufacturing industry is undergoing a significant transformation driven by technologies advancements that are reshaping traditional production methods. The most popular or the most important part for the revolution that Industry 4.0 and the smart factories integrating machines, devices, and systems through the Internet of Things to enable real-time data exchange and analysis. And the second important is that the artificial intelligence and machine learning. So using AI to predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance proactively. And the third one is the Internet of Things that's tracking equipment performance, energy consumption, and environmental conditions. And the last And the last and most important thing that the cloud computing and cybersecurity. The storing and processing large amounts of manufacturing data in the cloud and protecting sensitive data and system from cyber threats. As the professor mentioned on the first week for us that there are some processed from 1.0 to the 4.0 that. As you see on the right, the 1.0 is a mechanized production, which is like steam engines. The 2.0 is that mass production, assembly lines and electricity. The 3.0 is that automation, IT and IT and electronics. The 4.0 is the connectivity, smart technologies, cloud computing, the big data, networking machines, and the processes. And what are the some impact on product design and customization? As I mentioned, like 2 slides before, that CAT, which is computer-aided design, that software allows designers to create detailed digital models of product, enabling rapid prototyping and iteration. And designers and engineers can collaborate seamlessly on project regardless of the location. As I mentioned on the previous slide as well, the 3D printing, Internet of Things and artificial intelligence, the produce personalized products such as a custom fit orthotic or personalized jewelries. So as we can use the 3D printing like for the product design that. So overall, by leveraging this technology, manufacturers can create products that are not only functional but also the aesthetically pleasing, sustainable, and tailored to individual needs. So what are some benefits of the product customization? Because customers like it, first thing. It's really easy. And then the product customization builds customer loyalty. Get more sales because if we can produce by our uh, our target or our insight, that we can sales more and increase market share in the some business sector. And what are some challenges and limitations? The first challenge and then most common challenge is that the high initial investment cost. The initial investment in advanced manufacturing equipment such as 3D printers, industrial robots, and AI system can be substantial. And the second challenge is that the supply chain distribution. Reliance on specific materials and components can lead to supply chain disruption, particularly during global crises or economic downturns. So there are some, of course, the environmental impact that advanced manufacturing process can be energy intensive, contribution to carbon emissions. While 3D printing can reduce material waste to production of the materials and the disposal of failed, some prints can still have environmental consequences. And at the overall, after ethical consideration, that we overall to overcome these challenges, it is essential to adopt a holistic approach that considers economic, social, and other environmental implication of advanced manufacturing technologies. By investing in research and development, education and training, and sustainable practice, we can harness the full potential of this technology to create a brighter future. So this is our target, our targets. Yeah. As a conclusion, advanced manufacturing technologies are reshaping industries from automotive and aerospace to healthcare and the consumer goods. By integration digital technologies, automation, and innovative materials, manufacturers are achieving greater efficiency, flexibility, and sustainability. So while challenges such as high initial costs, supply chain disruption, and skill gaps persist, the potential benefits of these technologies are immense. By embracing the digital transformation, investing in research and development, and fostering collaboration between industry, academia, and government, we can unlock the full potential of advanced manufacturing and create a brighter future for our economy and the society. And this is some references for this art assignment. Thank you so much for listening, my professor.